I'm Sebastian Mariscal. We have a studio in Cambridge and also in Mexico City. We do mainly architecture, but also we do real estate development. And me on my side, I do art pieces as well. I am very attracted in the history of architecture how different artists have make the architecture even better, or how the art was part of the architecture. I have been working doing art pieces in an investigation of materiality and how you work differently with one material to the other, and there is a dialogue between my architecture and my art pieces constantly. I think every project, doesn't matter the nature of the project, gets better with the right collaboration. The projects or the outcome that somebody can do by itself, it's going to be very limited than do it in the right collaboration. And that's what I like working with Jaywalk. Of course, Jaywalk has the right tools, the latest equipment, and the experience. But for me, the most important thing working with Jaywalk is that they have the right attitude. I feel that they have the commitment with quality, they have the commitment with collaboration, and the dialogue, it's continuous but flawless. There is always a dialogue of how we can do the product better, how we can do the piece better. For this type of art pieces, which there is no room for error, this is very critical. You cannot be working in a negative environment, or in an environment that doesn't take positively the challenges of doing the pieces to do this type of work. So that's what I enjoy the most with Jaywalk. I think it's evident when you see the piece completed. I think you see that attitude in the piece.